Welcome back to Squawk Box. Time now for the Executive Edge, and we are focusing on oil prices right now. Crude got slammed last week in Iran sanctions and new questions about our relationship with Saudi Arabia, creating lots of uncertainty this morning. Jackie DeAngelis joins us now with more. Jackie.
Good morning, guys. Well, when it comes to oil, geopolitical risk can drive prices up quickly. We've seen it before, especially when the tensions surround Saudi Arabia, the world's top exporter of crude. In an opinion piece published yesterday, the general manager of Al Arabiya Television said if the price of oil reaching 80 angered President Trump, no one should rule out the price jumping to $100 or $200, even double that figure. Now, remember, Al Arabiya is owned by the Saudi government. Although this statement was an opinion, not a representation, investors still have to think about these risks. Last week, there were actually some reasons for crude oil to move lower. The stock market hit some speed bumps, the relationship between oil prices and a perceived demand slowdown coming into focus as interest rates are on the rise. Add to that the U.S. producing 11.2 million barrels a day, and the notion of a supply crunch seems less likely. But that doesn't mean oil is going to go lower this week. There's still the threat of Iran sanctions November 4th. We're not really going to understand that until the sanctions go into effect, and now the possibility of sanctions on Saudi Arabia. Remember, guys, the Middle East is a tinderbox. That's how it's often described. When these events start to ignite, you can see these prices rise quickly. So $100 certainly not out of the question. 400 seems a little high.
That's even above the Goldman Sachs super spike.
It seems a little high.
Remember the Goldman Sachs super spike?
200 that they were calling?
300.
300 at that point.
Yeah. They didn't call for that for very long. I'm not sure.
Could you imagine a scenario where MBS basically says, shut it down?
Look, if they are found to have something to do with Khashoggi's disappearance and they're embarrassed and they go toe-to-toe with the president, anything could happen.
Right. Okay. Jackie, thank you.